Good morning, class. Can I get a confirmation whether I am audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after a long time, in fact, 5 days gap. So as I already informed you people, I was in a training session. So was not able to engage the classes. Anyway, yesterday it got winded up. And just to keep you people engaged, I had assigned one particular activity. Yes, definitely the presentation is scheduled after second IA. I know that, but still, I wanted you people to be engaged with respect to the subject. So that is the reason I informed you all well in advance to prepare the PPTs, and I will be sharing the assignment link where you need to upload your respective PPT. Okay. So let me share my screen. I have not seen how many of you have turned in and submitted. So we'll all see together, okay? So that I'll get to know the statistics. Is my screen visible, students? You're able to see MS Teams?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So I hope everyone has done your assignment. Let me see. Yeah, so a team activity was assigned. So 21 of you have turned in out of 27. Priyanka, you're there? And Priyanka, you're in the class. Somebody is waiting in the lobby. Okay. Priyanka is not joined the class. Okay, she's turned in. Chandrapriya, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see the statistics here, okay? If those who have turned in before the due date, okay, before the due date and time, it's appearing as turned in, and you can see B Priyanka, she's turned in 5 minutes late. Dhruvashri turned in 2 minutes late. Vaishnavi is just viewed the assignment. She has not turned in. Vaishnavi, you're there in the class?
Actually, I'm outside my
MC
network is.
Vaishnavi, you're there?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Hello?
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, very low, but okay. Why you
There's
have not
no.
submitted your assignment?
I'm out of station. There's no network here.
That cannot be the reason, right? Then how come you're able to join the class if you had network issues? It was only a matter of uploading the PPT, right? That too in the PDF format. So I had mentioned very clearly the instructions. Okay, anyway. So who else? Netravati, you're there. Even you have viewed the assignment, the team activity assignment. You have not turned in. Netravati, I think I just admitted her. Netravati, you have just viewed the assignment. You have not turned in. Can I know the reason? Whatever it is, you can just tell me the reason. Just the way one of your friend informed me. She had some network issues. What about the case with respect to Netravati? Netravati, can you hear me? She's not there. Okay. Fine. Then who else? Kritik, you're there in the meet. Kritik R. Okay. Ajay Kumar has also only viewed. Kushal. Okay. Varun Kumar also not turned in. And Sesha Shaili turned in 16 minutes late. Fine. I will just check. I'll just take randomly any one of your PPT. Let me see how you people have done. Neha Pandey is not submitted the assignment. Neha Pandey.
Submitted, ma'am.
But
Submitted, ma'am.
It's not showing here then. Okay, fine. Anyway, I'll just check. Okay. Okay. Fine. So anyway, the presentation of your team activity will be scheduled after your second IE, which is commencing from 28th onwards. So immediately after 3 days, I will give out the schedule. Okay, which team need to present, and in between, if I find any corrections to be incorporated with respect to the PPT what you have shared, I will suggest that also in our group, okay, in the WhatsApp group or through chat here. So if required, you can incorporate those changes. Okay. Okay, then fine. So quickly, I'll just start with respect to, since your IA is on due. So I'll just tell you the syllabus first and foremost. Just give me some time. I'll just open the syllabus. Yeah. Okay. So as you all are aware, for the first IA, 1.5 modules were included for the internal assessment, and I think it was still this particular point, right? Enterprise collaboration system. So the topics which were included for the first IA, it was only till enterprise collaboration system. Okay. So further continuing from this particular point, functional business system. Okay. Till here, this will be there, and entire third module will be there. Okay. And e-commerce, the business to business. Okay. Yeah. Till e-commerce essential. Yeah, till here's point. Got it, students? So any doubts if you have any clarification, you can just ask me. So it is entire 3 module. Okay. Just part of 2 module and some topics from module 4 as well. Any doubts? Is it clear? Okay. So even the marks breakup also, 10 marks, or with respect to the choice, 20 marks question will be appearing from module 2, out of which you need to answer 1, okay, of 10 marks. Similarly, from the module 4, you'll be asked 2 questions, each of 10 marks. You need to answer 1. So 10 in the module 2, 10 in the module 4, and remaining 30 comprising of entire module 3. Is that okay, students? So module 3, you will be having questions for 30 marks. I mean, you need to answer for 30 marks. In the sense, 2 complete questions. So each question comprising of 15 marks. Got it? So module 3 marks allotted is 30, module 2 10 marks, and module 4 10 marks. And for each of the question there will be a choice, alternative choice. Okay? Any doubts with respect to portions? All clear? All okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So I think from Monday onwards, that is coming Monday onwards, we can start the revision. Okay, I will be giving out the module wise important questions. Okay, and I'll post it in the MS Teams as well. So today we will take up one particular case study. Yeah. Have you heard of this particular, name, Starbucks, anywhere? Have you heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Somebody said yes. Okay. Where have you heard this particular phrase or whatever? Starbucks. In which context? Quick, quick. Yes, students. Students who responded as yes. What is this Starbucks?
Coffee company.
Yeah, somebody said coffee.
A coffee company, ma'am.
Coffee company. Okay, fine. So people are aware of, right? So something similar to, cafe coffee day. Starbucks is also an outlet, okay, which is having a global what to say global market, right? So we'll just take up one case study with respect to Starbucks. Okay. Now the case study is for comprising of 7 pages. 1 minute, student. Yeah. So I want any one of the student to start reading the case study. Yes. Anybody voluntarily. Start with it. Any one of you.
Starbucks case study.
Yes.
Customer service. Every day we go to work hoping to do two things: share great coffee with our friends and help them make the world a little better. It was true when the first Starbucks opened in 1971, and it's just as true today.
Okay. So who is the CEO of Starbucks Coffee? It's given here. Continue. The
Over
girl who was, yeah. Next paragraph.
Starbucks Corporation is an international coffee and coffee house chain based in Seattle, Washington, United States. Starbucks is the largest coffee house organization in the world with 17,133 stores in 49 countries, including 11,068 in the United States, nearly 1,000 in Canada, and more than 800 in Japan. Starbucks sells drip brew coffee, espresso based hot drinks, other hot and cold drinks, coffee beans, salads, hot and cold sandwiches, and panini, pastry, snacks, and items such as mugs and tumblers.
Okay, we'll just take a break here. Okay, since one among your friend have just read out, so you can just figure out when it was started. It is way back in 1971, and how many outlets or stores it has. Over the globe, right? So quickly we'll see one small video. Okay, with respect to Starbucks and come back here. Fine. I think I've not shared the audio. I'll just stop sharing and share again. Give me a minute. Yeah. Voice is audible? The video voice?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, that's fine.
Once that perfect cup of Starbucks coffee arrives, you might not give much thought about what it took to get there. But rest assured, we have. Before you receive that rich, smooth, roasty, balanced coffee, it was made personally for you by our barista, the one who greeted you warmly and remembered your name is Emily, and that you like the double tall non-fat cappuccino. Now, before we could make your favorite beverage, our signature espresso roast traveled the ocean from one of our artisan roasters. The way we roast beans is uniquely Starbucks because we roast until the second pop, which maximizes the flavor of each and every bean. Long before our roasters can roast those Arabica beans, our buyers have to source them. They travel across 3 growing regions to carefully pick the best Arabica beans in the world. And since we're so close, let's go back to the people who started it all, the coffee growers. We work closely with farmers, like Alfredo here, who share our passion about creating the finest coffee in the world, which means the personal care your coffee receives in that first 10 feet of its journey is the same as in those last 10 feet. And that's the end of, well, the beginning of how Starbucks creates rich, smooth, roasty, balanced, and personal coffee perfection. Discover your perfect Starbucks coffee today.
Okay, so what did you get to know from the video? Any one of you? There was lot many things which was told in a very short video. Can anyone summarize? Early morning, I just want to know how good you are at observation. Yes, come on students. Any one of you can just summarize quickly. What did you see? What did you understand? Anybody? Quickly summarize in your own words. What was the video all about? A short video. It was about Starbucks, yes, but they had a lot of things to convey, in fact, in the form of video. What was that? Can anyone tell? Come on, students. See, you have to communicate, okay? Because my subject is not problematic where I can give you some problem and ask you to, think logically and try solving the problem. Nor it is, with respect to some sort of designing algorithms or designing circuits. It's not that way also. So my subject is where I want you people to engage in the interaction so that you will emerge as a very good communicator.